Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And today I'm going to be doing a recap on my Holochain analysis. My last video on Holochain, I targeted this area over here around the 618, where I thought may be a good area to enter. We have dropped a bit since then. We haven't dropped that much. I would still purchase more Holochain. And like I've been saying a lot in my recent analysis, is that we're seeing a lot of double bottoms on different altcoins. So I thought it was totally possible for this to happen. And I still think it's totally possible for us to reach this zone over here. And I don't think that there is really a likelihood that we'd go much lower. There's definitely the possibility that we would wick into one of these lower zones over here where price had reached below. But that is just where I would set some buy orders, possibly even lower than here where this wick goes all the way down. And who knows, possibly even lower. But I just expect us to wick into these zones, and I expect to see a nice bounce from here, which would continue to lead us into a bull run. And we've been seeing this double bottom pattern all over the place in the altcoin markets recently. And every time we have seen it, if the project is good, if the project is going to succeed, it bounces, and it bounces very nicely. And for example, ENJ, we saw this on ENJ recently, and I did an analysis on that. And we did see a 82% increase. That's where we closed our trade after making about 82% profit. In total, it went to around a little bit over 100. So this is definitely where I plan on having my entries for Holochain. I actually deposited some USD into Coinbase the past couple of days, including yesterday and a little bit today, and even a few days ago. What I do with Coinbase is I deposit USD and I wait 6 days and I transfer it to Coinbase Pro in order to avoid paying large trading fees. If you transfer to Coinbase Pro, you're going to be able to buy Ethereum with USD, just like you would buy Ethereum on Binance with USDT, and your fees are significantly lower, and it makes it so you can purchase more cryptocurrency just by doing that. So let's take a look at the daily chart. So once we do see a bounce from a double bottom, I could be wrong, but that's what I expect to see. We will definitely be targeting this zone and definitely higher in the long term. Long term, I will definitely expect us to reach these zones over here and definitely head much further in the long term. I'm not saying, short term, we're going to go way past these zones, but I am definitely going to be holding way past these zones. What I plan on doing is finding areas where I will see a correction by using my Elliott wave trading. If I can find a third wave that finishes correcting or a fifth wave, then I can sell and I can buy back significantly cheaper in order to compound my profits and to re-enter at a much cheaper price and continue holding just for the long term. So if you guys are looking to do something similar to that, definitely check out my group chat. The link is down below in the description, and sign up on our website down below just to get access to our free courses, to get updates on our market analysis that we post there as well. And make sure to subscribe here and follow me on Twitter. You never want to miss anything. So yeah, make sure you guys do all that and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this content and let me know what you think of Holochain. Take care, guys.